Okay guys, today's pretty much March 29th. It's about midnight. Came out in the garage to kind of get a head start on this, since later today I will have to be working on the Gallant on changing that inner and outer tie rod. I was going to change these camber kits to a different eBay one. Well, same one, but they ended up ordering me the wrong one. It's way different. And the reason why I ordered those were because of this one right here. I jacked it up trying to remove this ball joint, if that's what you want to call it. So I have been spending some time in here and I finally fixed it. I was able to get it threaded back on. You see that's way loose up here too because I unbolted those. But now since that's fixed, I am going to continue to work on this. Oops. I was messing with the radiator also, and I did find what part of the hose that was right here worked right here, so that's on there. Just mocked up for now. The header fail was in the previous video. The K-tuned fuel system was a bit of a fail also, which I don't know if I'm even going to upload that video. I might just upload the unboxing video, but obviously you guys will know by the time you guys see these videos. But I think right now I'm going to go ahead and slide on the driver's side axle. So I think that's what I'm going to do, because this side's all ready to go. I don't want to install the passenger side until I have the header on. And yeah, so I guess I'll just work on this for now. Just a heads up, this axle's pretty decent on this end, but it is starting to crack on the inside. But for now, it's not cracked all the way through, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue to use it. Oh, yeah. This side was also pretty rusted in, so I actually need to get some grease and get some grease on here. I went ahead and greased it up in the hub and on the end of the axle. So let's hope I don't have that issue again of it being rusted in there. Recently, I have bought a bunch of cotter pens from Harbor Freight, and they come handy. cotter pin in. This bolt here is tight. This bolt here is tight. This guy is. Now I just gotta get this bottom one. Almost forgot about it. And then, of course, the axle. That one also has a cotter pin, needs a cotter pin. So I shall grab a nice one. Alright guys, I stick a rotor in here to hold the caliper, or hold the disc from spinning. I am only going to torque to 140 foot-pounds, but then I'm going to come back and hit it with a breaker bar and tighten it up as much as I can. That apparently is 140 foot-pounds, and I'm going to go tighter than that. Holy shit. That's a first. I broke the hell out of that. Check that out. Damn. Now I gotta get the other part out. Damn, that's crazy. This is old anyways. Well, there goes the other half. I'm going to assume that this is on there good enough. Let me see. I'm going to try it one more time. Alright, that should be good. Now let's go ahead. I'm debating on doing the passenger side, but I don't know. We'll see. Alright, for now I'm just going to install the half shaft. There it is. I forgot this one I want to replace because it's got a tear in the boot. And I do not want to put this back together and then have axle grease everywhere. So I'm going to get that replaced. This should be under warranty. I have replaced this side before, but I think it's just 3 bolts to get this guy back on. So I'm going to go ahead and install this back on. Okay guys, for at least tonight I'm going to go ahead and stop, just because I do need to get the passenger axle replaced. I know that's the hose that I want, just a little bit of a different angle for the upper radiator hose. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and stop, and probably when you guys see this video, the header will be on. But when you look at the space, let me go around. There really isn't much space. So it is pretty tight down there. But I guess we'll see what happens. But I'll pick up this video, finish this video a little bit later once when I get the rest of the parts, return this header, and when you guys see this video continue, it'll probably be with the header on. But I don't know, we'll see. Working on a few things, that's all.